Yo, what is going on YouTube? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Robux in Roblox 2026. I've actually managed to find some Roblox promo codes that you can use right now and redeem in the Roblox website, and it's going to supply you 10,000 free Robux. This is working in 2026, and guys, once you get your code, you simply redeem it in the Redeem Roblox Codes website. So you log into your account and enter this promo code for Roblox that I'm going to show you, and it's going to supply your account 10,000 free Robux. And Robux is pretty expensive, guys. I believe it costs 10,000, probably costs about $100 US. Let's have a quick look how much Robux actually costs. So yeah, let's have a look how much is 10,000 Robux. Yeah, so it's about $100, but yeah, this method is super easy. It takes just a few minutes using a Roblox promo code. Now I am going to show you how to do this, but before that, I am doing a Robux gift card giveaway. So I'm going to be giving a $100 gift card to people who like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also drop their Roblox username in the comment section below. I'm going to be choosing a bunch of people to give gift cards away to. So anyway, this tutorial is going to be showing you how to give free Robux in Roblox 2026 using a promo code. So you've got to use your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android or whatever phone you have. Just have an internet connection, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So like I say, do this on your mobile phone. Internet just makes the process of getting your promo code a lot easier. So Crash Coupons, if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to a awesome game code website. Now, I've been using this website for tons of different codes. As you can see, they actually have loads of different games. They don't only have Roblox codes, but they do have a bunch of those as well. So what you need to do is search in the search bar. As you can see, it says search here, and just type in exactly like this, Roblox promo codes. So you need to type in exactly like this to find the Roblox promo codes page, guys. Now on this page, there is a working and valid Roblox promo code for 10,000 Robux. So as you can see, get 10,000 Robux for free in Roblox, and this is working right now in 2026. As you can see, this code is really popular, and yeah, loads of people are actually using this, and it's been rated almost 5 stars by over 5,000 people. Now these codes are limited. You can see there's 727 promo codes left. So what this does, guys, this is going to allocate you a working promo code, and it will tell you you need to unlock it. So the code is currently hidden, and that basically just stops people taking all of these codes. As you can imagine, people create robots and stuff to take these sort of codes. Obviously 10,000 Robux is pretty valuable. So you need to unlock your code by clicking this button and simply follow the instructions. I've already done this, and it only took me about 5 minutes, so I think it's well worth it considering you're getting 10,000 Robux. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and these are basically mobile applications, surveys, and mobile games. Just make sure you do follow the instructions below each one, and that is going to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So essentially, guys, you just need to complete 2 of the tasks that you see on this screen. They're always going to be completely free, and they will take just a few minutes to complete, guys. You just need to make sure you read the description. They're really easy things. Like this one is a mobile app. Download, install this app, and create an account. So if you was to choose this one, it'll take you to the App Store, for example, and then you just need to download that app and create a free account. And there's ones like that, which is a survey where you just click on it, answer some questions, and fill in some info. And this one, download an app or a mobile game. So yeah, just follow the instructions, complete 2 of those, and I'm going to skip forward. But if you complete 2, your Roblox promo code will be revealed, and this promo code is going to give you 10,000 free Robux. So you simply grab the code, redeem it in the Roblox website, where I showed you in the redeem gift cards and codes page here. So you will log in, enter the code that you unlock, and it's going to supply your Roblox account 10,000 free Robux. So that is it, guys. Just head on over to Crash Coupons, and once you reach the site, just do make sure you search for Roblox promo codes, and that is going to bring you to this page where you can select the 10,000 Robux code, unlock it, and enjoy. I am doing that Robux gift card giveaway to loads of people, so make sure you do like this video and spam your Roblox username and also subscribe. And yeah, I'll be giving tons away. So enjoy. Hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.